Students, class 8th. In this video we have discussed exercise 11.3 where we have to find out the area of the polygons. Some polygons figure is given, you have to find out the area of the given figures. 11.3 question number 1. Find the area of the field shown. A polygon is given. ABCDE is a polygon ABCD. G and F are the points. This point is G and this point is F. AG equals 30 and angle AGB is 90 degree and BG equals 50. FG 60, FG equals 60 and FE 40. FC 30 and CD equal 20. CD equal 20. So first we have to find out the area of this triangle ABC. So area of ABCDE equal area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle AFE and plus area of trapezium FCDE. So we divided this figure into three parts: a triangle ABC and a triangle AFE and a trapezium FCDE. So when we add the area of these three parts, we get the total area of this polygon. So area of triangle ABC is a right angle triangle where AC is a base and GB is height. So area of triangle ABC equal 1/2 base. So AC equal AG plus GF plus FC. AG equal 30 and GF equal 60 and FC equal 30. So 60 plus 30 90 and 90 plus 30 120. So base is 120 and height BG equals 50. So 1/2 120 into 50 plus area of triangle AFE where angle F is a right angle. So again we apply 1/2 base into height, 1/2 base, that is FE, given 40 and height, that is AF, and AF is equals AG plus GF. AG 30 and GF 60, so 60 plus 30 90 plus area of trapezium FCDE. So area of trapezium 1 by 2, sum of parallel sides, and parallel sides are here FE and CD. FE is given 40 and CD is given 20. 40 plus 20, and the distance between parallel sides, that is CF. CF is given 30 into 30 centimeter square. Solve 2 6 are 12, 2 2 are 4, and 2 1 are 2, 2 5 are 10. So we have 60 into 50, 6 5 are 30, and 2 zeros, 3000 plus 20 into 90, 2 9 are 18, and this 2 0 1800 plus 40 plus 20 60, 60 into 15, 15 6 are 90, and 0 900 meter square. Then add 18 plus 9 27, 3000 plus 2700, so we have 5700 meter square. So area of the polygon ABCD equal 5700 meter square. Now question number 2. Again a polygon is given ABCD EFGHIJ. Find the area of the given polygon. The length of the sides are given. AIFD is a square. ABCD is a trapezium. And IHEF is also trapezium. DFE is a triangle. And here AIJ is also a triangle. JP is the height. So AB, C, D, E, F, and G, and H and I, and J. BQ is a perpendicular distance. RE, distance of this triangle, height of this triangle, RE. And GS, distance between parallel sides, GS. Find the area of the polygon AD equals 7. So first we divide this polygon in the different figures. So this triangle AIAJI, and this is trapezium ABCD. This is a triangle DEF, and AIFD is a rectangle. So area of polygon ABCD EFGHIJ equal area of trapezium ABCD plus area of triangle DEF plus area of trapezium FGHI and plus area of triangle AJI and plus area of rectangle ADFI. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When we had the area of all the 5 parts, so we get the area of this polygon. The area of trapezium ABCD 1/2 sum of parallel sides. Parallel sides are BC and AD, and distance between them, that is BQ. So 1/2 AD plus BC. AD is given 7 plus BC is given 5. The distance between them BQ 3. So 1/2 7 plus 5 into 3 plus 1/2 area of triangle DEF. So DF is the base. So find DF. AI equals 6. So DF is also equal to 6 because AI is the rectangle. So 1/2 6 into 6 and RE equal 4 into 4 plus area of trapezium FGHI plus 1/2 FGHI. So parallel sides are FI and HG. FI is also equal to 7 because AD equal FI, opposite side of rectangle. So FI equals 7 plus HG equal 5 into distance between them GS equal 3 into 3. So this is the area of trapezium FGHI plus 1/2 area of triangle AJI 1/2 IA into JP. AI is given 6 centimeters, so 1/2 6 into and JP equal 4. So 1/2 multiply 6 into 4 plus area of triangle for area of rectangle ADFI. So area of rectangle length into breadth. AD is given 7 and FI DF or AI is given 6 into 6. Centimeter square. So we have to find the area of 5 figures 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1/2 7, 5, 12, 12 into 3, 2, 6 are 12 plus 1/2, 3 are 6, so 3, 4 are 12 plus 1/2 12 into 3, 2, 6 are 12 plus 2, 2 are 4, so 6, 2 are 12 plus 7, 6 are 42 centimeter square. So we have 6 3 18 plus 12 plus 18 plus 12 and plus 42. So 18 plus 18 36. 36 plus 12 12 24 and plus 42. Add 6 4 10 to 12. 1 is carry 3 1 4 4 2 6 6 4 10. 102 centimeter square. So area of polygon ABCD EFGHIJ equal 102 centimeter square. We divide the polygon in the 5 parts. Area of this triangle is same as the area of this triangle, and the area of this trapezium is same as the area of this trapezium. Now question number 3, find the area of the pentagon ABCDE as shown. AB equal AE. Question number 3, ABCD is a pentagon. ABCDE. AB equal AE. CD is given 15 centimeter and D equal 15 and total AC is given 23 centimeter. So join B and E. This side is whole 23 and this is 15. So AC minus DE are equals to this length. 23 minus 15, 8. And CD equal 15, so B also equals to 15. So we have two shape. ABE is a triangle and BCD is a square. So when you have to find out the area of pentagon, area of square 15 into 15. So area of pentagon ABCDE equal area of square BCDE plus area of triangle ABE. So area of square side into side. 15 into 15, 15 into 15 plus area of triangle AB 1 upon 2 base into height. So 1 upon 2 base is 15 and height is 8. So 2 4 ja 8, 15 15 ja 225 plus 15 4 ja 60. So 225 plus 60 equals to 285 centimeter square. So area of pentagon is 285 centimeter square. Now question number 4, find the area enclosed by each of the following figure. So part A, in the upper portion the square is given of side 4 by 4. In the lower a trapezium is given. Total length is 10 and this is 4. So this height distance between them is 6 centimeter. So solve this question by yourself. In the B part, a regular octagon is given. So we have divided this figure into 3 parts. In the upper part we have a trapezium, in the lower part we have also trapezium, and in the middle we have a rectangle of length 22 by 10. C part same as A part. 18 centimeter by 18 centimeter. And this side is 7 centimeter. And this is the 8 centimeter. Find the area. So first we have to find the area of the square. 18 into 18 plus this side is 18, so this is also equals to 18 because opposite sides are the square. And distance between them is given 8 centimeters. So 1 upon 2, sum of all sides 18 plus 7, and distance between them is 8. So 2 4 ja 8, 18 18 ja 324 plus 18 plus 7 25, 25 into 4, 25 4 ja 100. So 324 plus 100, it equals to 424 centimeter square. So area of this figure is 424 centimeter square. In the D part, a hexagon is given. So we have two triangles in the upper and lower. And the middle portion is a rectangle of length 16 by 10. So solve. First you have find the area of triangle of upper portion and area of lower portion triangle, then area of rectangle, and add all the three areas, so we get the area of hexagon. Now question number 5. Top surface of raised platform in the shape of regular octagon as shown. The 4 meter. Find the area of the octagonal surface. Also find the cost of filling the surface at the rate of 25 piece per meter square. And this parallel side is given 11 meter. And this side is given 5 meter. So it is a regular octagon. That means all sides are equal to 5 meter. This side is also 5, this side is 11. So we have two trapezium with same dimension. In the middle portion we have a rectangle of length 11 by 4, length equal 11 and breadth equal 5. So area of platform equals 2 into 1 upon 2, because we have two trapezium with same dimensions. So 2 into 1 upon 2, sum of parallel sides. Parallel sides are 5 and 11, so 5 plus 11. And distance between them is 4 plus 2 divided by 2. 11 plus 5, 16. 16 4 ja 64 plus 11 5 ja 55. Then add 5 4 9 6 5 11. 190 meter square. So area of this regular octagon is 190 meter square. Then find the cost of filling at the rate of 25 rupees per meter square. So area equal 119, so we have to multiply by 25. So 119 multiply by 25. So we get 190 multiplied by 25. 9 5 is 45. 5 is 5 4 9. 5 is 5. 9 5 9 18. 119 into 25. 5 9 is 45. 5 is 5 4 9. 2 9 is 18. 2 is 2 1 3. 2 is 2. 5 9 is 17. 5 3 8 1 9. 2. So equals to 2975. So cost of filling the surface equal to 2975 rupees. So student, this is the exercise 11.2 where we have discussed the area of the given figures, area of the polygons. Solve the questions. If you have any doubt, ask on Math Group also in the WhatsApp class. Thank you students.